Our next speaker is Antonio Carmona, who is the professor of economics and a candidate for the mayor of Madrid. He's also the spokesman for the Socialist Party in Spain and has excellent ties with the Spanish media. He's a close friend of the community and has raised concerns regarding the persecution of Ahmadi Muslims. I welcome him to Jalsa Salana and invite him to come and say a few words.
Jamate Ahmadiyya के मुअस्सिस दोस्तों और अहमदी भाइयों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। हम यहाँ अपने दिलों के दरवाजे खोलने के लिए आए हैं। मुस्तकबिल एक ऐसा उफक है।
To reach the future, or to succeed in the future, you could only go through with true faith. My name is Antonio Miguel, and I have arrived with my Spanish delegation to this Jalsa Salana, and I'm addressing you in this Jalsa, where hearts are brought together and the world and its glamour and the spiritual glamour is up to arise. The Muslims remained in Spain for over 7 centuries. Andalusia was the pinnacle of civilization for the entire world. Cordoba was the headquarters of Khilafat. And was in fact the headquarters of our country. The mosques of Cordoba and the palace of Granada are, and my city, in my city of Madrid, your missionary Karam Ilahi Zafar Sahib arrived over here, who used to sell scent in the streets of Madrid, and used to spread the seed of love within our hearts. Now, and I pray for a peaceful world and a better peaceful world.
Islam Ahmadiyya, Islam Ahmadiyya, Jamaat Ahmadiyya Spain.